Well, it looks like we're losing Volkswagen's fancy pants model, this CC, for 2019, but the good news is we're getting another fancy pants model to replace it, the Arteon. The Arteon is based on Volkswagen's excellent MQB platform, and it boasts a killer fastback profile, a clamshell hood, and plenty of horizontal access in the front, emphasizing that aggressive stance. And it's more than just all show. There's even a little bit of go underneath the hood in the form of a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, putting out 268 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. That's made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's putting the power down to the front wheels, or if you want to go all 4, that's cool. You can opt up to 4-motion all-wheel drive. Inside, the handsome cabin is augmented by some pretty cool tech. There's stop-and-go adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and the super cool digital cockpit, which puts all of your information, including navigation, on a 12.3-inch screen right there in the gauge cluster. The 2019 Volkswagen Arteon will be available in the third quarter of 2018. We've got no word on pricing yet, but I think it's going to start right around the $35,000 range. I know you want to see so much more of me, and you can when you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's right there, and there's other videos right there. What? Oh my gosh, you might even see Brian Cooley in one of them.